Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I am going to do a comparison between my Playing in Makeup by Yolondo eyeshadow base, and it looks like this, and my LA Girl Pro concealer, and they look like this. I am going to use the color from the LA Girl Pro, which is closest to the by Playing with Makeup by Yolondo. On my left eye, which is your right, I'm going to use Playing with Makeup by Yolondo. And on my right eye, which is your left, I am going to use the LA Girl Pro. Left eye, your right, Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. After it's blended, this is what it looks like. LA Girl Pro, my right, your left. This is what the LA Girl Pro concealer looks like after it's blended. I already have my face powder on, so I'll do the rest of my face and I'll come back so we can compare the eyeshadow base by Playing in Makeup by Yolondo versus LA Girl Pro Concealer. so we can compare which one look better with the dark. Those are dark bases for your eyeshadow. Let's see which one looks better. I'll be right back. I am back with the complete look of the battle between Playing in Makeup by Yolondo eyeshadow base and LA Girl Pro concealer base. This is it. Tell me which color pops more with these dark bases on. Playing in Makeup by Yolondo, LA Girl. Do they look the same or do they look different? Please let me know in the comments below. The palette that I use is the Gemra palette by Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. I use the gold from there. It is called Becky. And this is Becky right here. And the other palette for the bright color is from the Artistry palette, also by Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. I use this blue right here. Thank you all again for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye. LA Girl. Playing in Makeup by Yolondo.